to part number 2 of our Granny Item Drawing Series. So today, what I got planned was to draw the padlock code. So what you will need will be your pencil, as always. I'm just going to use a ruler since it's pretty much a rectangle. So what you want to do is start with your ruler and put it like this, and just like, I don't know, I'm gonna do it 3 centimeters, guys. You can do it how big you would like. I'm just gonna start here, go all the way like that, and I'm gonna make 2 centimeters. So I'm just using a straight edge to make it look perfect, but look at me, oh my gosh. Okay, please ignore that part. I'm just gonna try to erase it, but I don't think I can. Okay, so now that you have your rectangle, yeah, I guess. And from the last video, I just outlined it with the pen, so it'll look more, it will stand out. Anyway, so back to the code. Now we need to write like the code. So basically it's like a cross. So you want to start here. This might take a long time, but make the C like that. Oh no, that's a very, very bad example. I'm so sorry. Okay. So you want to start here and go like this. Like that. That's the C. The O. Just like that. Kind of like an egg shape. Now the D has a very weird shape. Something like this, but like this. So like that. So it's like a this shape, and then just draw a line. And then the E, which is the normal E. Okay, so now that we wrote the code, we want to outline it. So I'm just going over with my black marker. There. If I'm going too fast, guys, you can always pause the video. Okay, so the oval one, that looks like that. Weird O. That's the D. And there's the E. So that's the code. So now the code, how to color it. The code is like a very, very lightish brown. So I have this brown over here, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna use that to color it in. See? Guys, it's starting to look like the code, right? See? The code. Guys, comment down below if you ever played Granny, and tell me if you ever escaped her house. I've escaped her house multiple times, but only in easy mode. So I kind of suck. Okay. Finish coloring that last bit. There we go. So now there's a code. I'm just gonna add a little bit of shading around the. This is optional. You don't have to, but just to make it look a little more old. There we go. So guys, that's how you draw the code from Granny. I'll see you guys next time when we'll draw another thing. So like this video if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to me. Share this with all your friends so they will learn how to draw the code. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.